Bontis in for a day early, that is, for some analysis. Nick, thanks for being here tonight.
My pleasure.
The dollar drops, oil drops, gold drops. What's going on here?
It's a sea of red, Nick, a sea of red. Bad day for the markets. Reason for the bad day of the markets, honestly, is because we've had such good markets. If you look back over the last 8 or 9 months, resource sector especially has been going up and up and up and up. When speculators get excited about positive momentum, they buy more on margin. Sometimes when the banks make their margin calls, you got to sell, and that's what they did. So a lot of investors, especially today and yesterday, were basically taking their profits, securing them, and selling their positions, which means the markets are having a little bit of a plateau now and are going to be going down. But no fear, I don't see this as being a collapse. I just see this as profit-taking. We'll recover soon.
Okay, because that probably answers the next question, too, because on Monday night, you were right here.
Yep.
You're the one who predicted the Conservative majority government. And you were thinking they're a business-friendly government. This should be good for the markets. And then this week, it's tanked.
So it is a good news for the business that the Conservatives won a majority. See, what happened was the market was expecting that. What we would have seen had the NDP won, or if the NDP had won a majority, is obviously a more precipitous tank. So we have to not forget that it's not just what's happening here in Canada that affects us. It's what's happening with our big brother down the south. 3 out of every $4 we sell outside of Canada goes to the U.S., and unfortunately, the economic market is still in a big funk. The unemployment figures got released out of the U.S., and close to 500,000 unemployment claims were made. So the economic recovery in the U.S. is still very, very weak at best, Nick.
All right, let's talk about the fact that the price of the pump's going down. I wish 3.3 was actually 3.3%, but with $1.35 or so, it's a little bit less than that. Nevertheless, it's going down. Is that a benefit to the economy? And how about our dollar going down? How's that going to affect it?
Well, with the dollar going down, it's going to give a little bit of release of pressure from some of our exporters who've been dealing with higher prices going out. With regards to the gas prices going down, actually, I think it's good news, Nick. You know why? Because today was a very, very sunny day, and I'm sure a lot of people want to go driving this weekend. So with a nice weekend of driving with 3 cents less, that's more money in your pocket. So all in all, we have to take the good with the bad.
We'll have to take it indeed. And thanks for your time coming in today early. Appreciate it, Nick. Nick Bontis from the DeGroote School of Business.